In the past, companies may have struggled with the issue of whether or not to conduct business on an international scale. However, the decision is no longer a struggle because it has already been made for them. Even if you don't want to do business on a global level, international companies will do business with you, compete with you, or even put you out of business. Therefore, you need to think global. Want to know how easy it is? The minute you put your business on the internet, you're a global entrepreneur because anyone, anywhere can find you, and this is a good thing. Increasing competition in domestic markets and saturated markets in some industries are promoting business owners to examine the international marketplace, where demand is great for U.S.-made products and where, in some parts of the world, money isn't an issue. In the international marketplace, many businesses have found new markets for their products, partners for their businesses, and complementary products that help increase their sales in their local markets. The global market should be attractive to your business for several reasons. It enables you to build a broader customer base, which can minimize the impact of economic problems at home. You may be able to reduce the effects of seasonal market swings. Remember, countries south of the equator are in opposite seasons from the United States. If you have excess capacity in your manufacturing facility, you may be able to put it to use by finding more products to produce for global markets. You may find new life for a product that's losing ground in the U.S. You may be able to lower your production costs by manufacturing in a country with lower labor rates or reduce your supply costs by purchasing overseas. Whether you're encouraged by one or all of these factors, you need to think about ways to go global. There are also risks associated with going global. If finding customers and establishing a distribution network are challenging tasks in your domestic market, the tasks may be almost insurmountable in foreign markets. If you want to find new markets for your business, consider this. Not all businesses are suitable for global markets. As in any marketplace, you must offer a high-quality product or service at a competitive price to go global. Beyond that, researchers have found that most successful global businesses have some common characteristics. They have a strong global vision. In other words, their strategic plans consider the influence of, effects of, and opportunities found in the international market. Their management teams have some international experience. Becoming familiar with the international market isn't as difficult as it sounds. In fact, gaining an understanding of other countries and how they do business is easier than ever. Today, some universities require their MBA candidates to spend some time in other countries to learn the way business is done abroad. They've developed strong international networks of people and businesses that can help them. One of the cardinal rules of going global is to find partners in the country in which you want to do business. These companies know how things really work and can save you a lot of time and effort, not to mention money. They offer unique technology or know-how that another country doesn't have. With the internet, television, and films, no matter where you live in the world, chances are you've seen what technology is available. Find out where in the world your offerings would be most desirable. There is no right or wrong time to make the decision to go global. However, some times are better than others. If your business is new and you foresee that about 25% or more of your sales will come from the international market, you may have a special type of business that's referred to as born global. This business's competitive advantage lies in outsourcing and selling in several countries. Whatever you plan to offer, it must be something that you can modify to meet the needs of the customers where you do business. For example, if you're introducing a new product that has never been in the market before, you may want to start domestically first to establish yourself. That way, your systems and controls can be in place for a while, and you may have fewer problems when you expand to another country. Most US made products need adjustments and some redesign to be compatible with the electrical systems or to meet the regulations of other countries, not to mention the need to fit into other cultures.